Solutions.
A solution is a homogeneous mixture in which one substance is dissolved into another substance. An example of solution is salt water. Salt water was formed when salt is dissolved in water. There are two components of a solution. Those are solute and solvent. Solute is the substance being dissolved and is the component in lesser amount, while solvent is the substance dissolving the solute and is the component in amount. In the solution formed when salt is dissolved in water, the solute will be the salt, because it is the substance that is dissolved, while water is the solvent, because it is the substance that dissolves the salt. This illustration shows how the water molecules pull the sodium and chloride ions apart, breaking the ionic band that held them together. After the salt compounds are pulled apart, the sodium and chloride atoms are surrounded by water molecules, as this diagram shows. Once this happens, the salt is dissolved, resulting in a homogeneous solution. When solution is composed of two or more liquids, we can identify the solute and solvent by their amount. In this example, when 2 teaspoons of vinegar is added to 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, the solute will be the vinegar, because solute is the component in lesser amount, while soy sauce is the solvent, because it is the component in greater amount. Which solvent do you think can dissolve most substances? Yes, it is the water. Water can dissolve most of the substances that we have at home. Are all solutions liquid? The answer is no, because there are solid and gaseous solutions. These are the examples of solid solutions. Metal alloys are solutions made up of two or more metals and non-metals. An example for this is the steel. Steel is made when 99% of iron and 1% carbon are combined. Since the amount of its composition are given, we can identify the solute and solvent. The solute in the given solution is the carbon, because it is the component in lesser amount. And for the solvent is the iron, since it is the component in greater amount. Another example of an alloy is the bronze. It is composed of 88% of copper and 12% tin. What do you think is the solute in this solution? Right, the answer is tin. And for the solvent, it should be the copper. The third example of a metal alloy is the brass. It is composed of 66% copper and 34% zinc. Zinc is the solute and copper is the solvent. For the liquid or aqueous solutions, we have this example. Number 1, saline solution that contains 0.9% sodium chloride or salt in water. The solute in this solution is the salt, and water is the solvent. Number 2, vinegar. It contains 0.5% acetic acid in water. Acetic acid is the solute, while water is the solvent. Number 3, soft drinks. It is made up of dissolved sweeteners, carbon dioxide, colorings, and preservatives in water. The solutes are the sweeteners, carbon dioxide, coloring, and preservatives. And water is the solvent. For gaseous solutions, let's have air as an example. Air is composed of 70% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide, 1% water vapor, and 0.97% other inert gases. The solute are oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases, while nitrogen, which is the most abundant gas in air,